What's up, everyone? It's John Pizza. Back at you with the latest and greatest. It's Prompt Hippo here. Recently at my job, I've been really frustrated with testing prompts and figuring out what's the best prompt for me. So I built this tool, Prompt Hippo, and it lets you test prompts side by side. And you can also integrate custom agents that you've built so that it's just super simple to create this sort of test suite that you can go in and let's get started. You can go in and just have all these side by side comparisons and see the output for each response. So like if you know how if you change one prompt, maybe it will help, it'll fix one problem that you're having with the prompt, but it'll break in 10 other things. That's what I'm trying to solve here with Prompt Hippo. So you've got this side by side thing where you can add as many columns as you want, many as you want. Have 300 columns. Yeah. And you can have all any input that you want. And then you can just click run all and it'll show you the output for every single input. And then from there you can make changes and you can see, all right, maybe we'll have the same system prompt and then we want to test some different user inputs based on this system prompt that we've written. Uh oh yeah, wait, subscribe to John Pizza. Yeah, that's right. And now you can see it just shows you all the different outputs. So you can test now if you want to change this prompt. Let's say we don't want it to respond to JSON format, or maybe we'll just say YAML. If you want to change this prompt, it's super easy. You just change it, and then you can copy horizontally, and it'll be applied to all these cells. And you can run all, and you can see this is working. But you can see maybe it doesn't. This doesn't look like it worked here. I actually don't know YAML very well, but you can see that in this case it used response as one of the keys, and in all the other ones it used block. So that's something that you can realize and be like, uh, uh, make fonts the key, and you can copy that horizontally, and now you can see, all right, that's working pretty well. And then you could add a bunch more columns, get exactly what you want. The last thing, the last concept, oh, I'll show you this also. You can change the model to all these different options. So you can go GPT-4 and click run all. And you can see it's GPT-4, what it's doing. Interesting, it doesn't listen to with the without markdown instruction in some cases. But you won't notice that if you just ask it, tell me a joke over and over again. Because you'll just see, oh, it's not going to respond in markdown. But now with this side by side, you see that it does actually sometimes use markdown, which is unfortunate. I'm gonna quickly change this back to JSON and um and I'll show the last feature is validators. So I'm gonna add on the JSON validator, which just checks to make sure the output is valid JSON for use cases like this where you're trying to make it work with JSON. Click run all, and you can see with the ones that are valid JSON, gives you a nice green dot, and you can see JSON validator passed. Um, so this is just a tool I built that I hope is useful for you guys. You can save it so you can have like your own test suites kind of set up, and you can integrate with custom agents through LangServe. So if you've made like a customer support chatbot, you can set up a couple conversations and then connect with LangServe and then just hit run and you can make sure everything is working. Um, it's just because you need a human to actually be evaluating if a prompter is good or not. You can't have a computer doing that. Um, so I hope you find this useful. The link for it is down in the description. You should also subscribe. Def Definitely subscribe. And thank you.